Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Position paper vertically and draw a faint center line. This keeps the shape balanced. Next, mark a 1/2 height guide so the lobes align. Use 2 circles for the heart's top. Place their centers about 1/3 of the overall width apart. Once done, lightly erase overlaps so the top looks like 2 touching arcs. Make sure to keep strokes soft. This lets you refine proportions without messing the whole sketch. Now you shape the heart's core. Blend the lower edges of the 2 circles into a shallow V that meets on the center line. This creates the pointed tip. Once that connection exists, step back and check symmetry, shifting curves microscopically so both sides mirror one another. Then refine each lobe by erasing inner construction lines and softening transitions. Make sure to keep curve flow continuous. Consistent curvature is why the heart reads as one unified form rather than 2 stuck circles. Finish by cleaning the drawing. Erase guides, then retrace the main outline with a firmer hand to lock shape. Add subtle shading along one lobe and a small highlight near the top to give volume. This makes the heart pop. If something looks uneven, work around quickly. Trace the better side on a tracing paper, flip it, and align to reproduce symmetry, or step back and view the page in a mirror to identify mismatches. That simple fix solves most proportional problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.